Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to show your FPS using the NVIDIA app. So first up, of course, you're going to need to download the NVIDIA app on your computer. So just make sure you have it. You can just download it for free from their website. And once you have it, just search for it on your taskbar. Just type in NVIDIA and you should see this app right here. Now from here, we're just going to go to settings, and then you should see the equivalent key for opening the overlay. Just make sure that NVIDIA overlay is enabled right over here. So I'm going to go ahead and open the overlay. So that's Alt plus Z. And then as you can see, we have the NVIDIA overlay at this left-hand side. So from here, you can click on statistics, or as you can see, there's an equivalent key for it. So if you're on your desktop, or let's say you're playing a game, if you press the equivalent key, which is Alt plus R, or whatever it is that's assigned, then you should be able to see the FPS on the right-hand section. I'm not sure if you can see it right now because there are a bunch of icons, but there you go. You can see the FPS, GPU percentage, CPU percentage, and LAT. All right. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.